Hello guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I welcome you all once again to this wonderful channel. Guys, at this stage right now, we don't need to doubt the SBT strategy again. Go and check from day one, go and check all the video posted, all the long-term entries posted on Deriv index. Every damn thing always go as planned, guys. C500 is almost going to our TP here, so my analysis on C500 still remain the same. C500 is going for a possible QM, going for a possible quasi formation. It might broke this very place and do as if we want to continue to sell and still continue to go up back. So that is what I'm expecting on C500 right now, right? And this 0.1 have gave me more than 0. In fact, V10 is the most signal that I'm putting that much energy, that much lot size on. So guys, I've made a lot from V10, Crash 500 and VIX 51 index. So the updates on those three is what I want to analyze in this video. And so this is for Crash 500. I didn't focus much on Crash 500 because Crash 500 refused to give me any pattern around there. That's why I couldn't just enter and make. In fact, most of my students are not in this trade, but I'm very sure once we see the sign to buy to this very position, we are going to buy here. This daily time frame now, we are going to buy and hold until price approach here, because we just know that price can't continue selling without giving us the reason why it's selling. So we will be looking forward it can be this weekend or next week before price give us the buy pattern there. So we just wait. I continue to hold my 0.1. This is like more than $70 right now. It's like more than $70. C500. Let me look for that. Right, so this is it, $70. So guys, we continue to hold on this. And for V10 is making me happy. V10 is as in, although I took my time today, I think that is just the main signal that I draw for my people. Let's check that. It was V10 that I dropped for my. I told them Ahmad Rashid called the attention of V10 to us, say, okay, this thing have reached the position where I want it to fall. That my pivot point, and immediately I check it. I see that okay, we just need to wait for confirmations. So once we confirmed, when I saw the confirmation, immediately I dropped the signal. Then we all went in, and since then we have been holding. We have been holding V10. We have been holding, and we are still holding it. So and currently now we have a bearish engulfing candle on 4 hours time frame. So this, which means that we can still hold for like 4 to 8 hours in profits. So and checking daily time frame, all I could see is that this thing want to give us a bearish engulfing candle, and all we are just waiting for price to go below this very stubborn support. The price have been ranging in this support for like months now, for like a month, like almost 2 months now. So once price broke this support there, then we are expecting our price down there. I guess I kept on running this thing all over and over again. So this will be our next major points where price can reverse. I know that the V10 is going for QM on weekly time frame, because this is a divergence already. We have a lower low here, then we have a higher high here. So price reach here, then delay a little bit, give some consolidation, then once it give us the buy pattern, then we just buy. So it give us, that means inverse Quasimodo, the head, the shoulder, then the shoulder here. So that's why we are expecting our price here. Then we just continue, because see, everything has been selling for too long. So I guess you just want to give us the pattern, and then after the pattern, then it starts selling. So we are still going to be selling the V10 a lot. In fact, this V10 is the one that I have the most entry. As you can see, these are 0.3, 0.4, 0.1 in like more than 10 places. These are the this is 0.4, 0.6, 0.10. So we are still holding that. We are holding that. So guys, and I've said before, this thing, the right trading is also very simple. Once you roll with us, let me not go back again on this. When you roll with the HBC family, you will surely eat. I don't want to know. Even you don't know how to look for pattern, you don't know how to know, you don't even know anything. Only thing you need to know, that you need to know how to buy, how to sell. Once you know that, how to set loss sizes, how to set TP, you are okay. Then once you are told to go out of market, you know all those. That's all you need to know. And if you care to if you care to learn the more, you can go for the HBT mastery class. It's not much, for Christ's sake. Some of these people that I have on my channel, some of them on the main group, they have blown accounts. If you should ask every one of you, we should start asking every one of you now, you have blown accounts of more than $100 this month, last month, and you can't even use that money to acquire knowledge. I don't just know the reason why many young traders are going through that. They really want to make that money. But they are not using what they have to acquire the knowledge. If you are not doing that, you are only fooling around. You are only wasting your time. You are only delaying your own time. You are only delaying your own success. Okay? Me too. I found this thing hard. I learned it in a very, very hard way. When I started, I have someone to take me the way I've been taking my students, or the way my mentors, my mentee have been taking me. I will have been being a pro trader since, as in on my first year. So guys, if you have someone that is so persistent in his or his results, stick to that person, learn from that person. You don't have to do this alone. If you want to do this alone, you just make sure you learn first before you say that you can do it alone. Deriv trading will be hard when you don't have the right knowledge, and someone is there that have the right knowledge already. Just stick to that person and eat. In fact, for me, the reason why I know that we are on the right path is that there's a lot of people that they are trying to come for the signal, but me, I'm advising them, instead of you going for the signal. I'm not saying you should not go for the signal, but make sure when you have made that money with that signal, make sure you learn. In fact, many still don't know. I said when price get to 65 2020, they still don't know the reason why I'm taking this trade there. And this loss that I use here is 0.5. It's giving me more than $170 now, right now. So guys, go for this knowledge. Even some senior traders that in my platinum group, if I should ask them what is the reason why we are taking this trade there, they don't know. What is the main reason why we are taking a sell on VIX10? They don't know. Despite the fact that I have explained it all over and all over again in this channel. So guys, let me not waste our time on this video. So let's just hope that this trend line got broken. I know once the trend line got broken, then there's high probability that this support that have been giving us a lot of problem, then it will get broken. But I know before the end of this month, before end of this November, price is surely coming down, breaking this very position there. So that is why every trade that you are taking on this thing now, you don't play with it. Please, you don't. Have it in mind that you want to hold loss side 1, loss side 2. In fact, I'm holding loss side 5 right now. That loss side is only when price go back or want to go above it that I will close. I don't care how much it have accumulated for me, how much profit it have, I don't care. I've made enough from this V10 already. So I'm holding this V5 and the 5 loss size. This 5 loss size that I've opened down today. I opened it when the last time that I gave the signal today. So I will surely be holding. I opened it for almost 8 hours ago. Almost, let's say 8 hours ago. Yeah. So guys, V10, you know where the price is going on V10 already. So all you have to do is just checking where price want to make a retracement. You will surely know when the price wants to make a retracement. See, this is an example here. You make a retracement. You'll be seeing the buy candle. You will be seeing the sell candles like this. Once you are seeing the buy candle, just stay off. You know that this is a bear market. All you have to be doing is just wait for the retracement. When you see the retracement, wait for your sign to go in. Wait for this week to happen. Once the week happen, go in. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So let's quickly go on the VIX 51S index. Our VIX 51S index is surely giving us. It gave so much money today too. But me, I've took most of my profits, so I'm holding 0.002. Just like I'm using the lower side for V75. So that's why I'm trading this very nigga now. But this very dude is still coming down here. This one is 100%. This VIX 50. This is my surest. Setup. V51S index. I don't want to know how many days it will take here. It's coming down here. It is 100%. 100%. I'm not saying 100% for any other signal, but for this is 100% coming down here. So whenever it wants to make any solid retest again, we will surely, I don't know if it's going to make the retest overnight. It's going to, in fact, I will say some extra after I'm through with this video. I will set some extra around there. All this very one I will set SL here, then I'll leave it. So the price might make a turn back to this very position here and continue to fall again, but I will be very, very happy if I can see the retest back to this around there. Then I will now go in big. In fact, this will give me a lot, because I know that how many, see, that will be one. This is the very first one here, one there. That is this is the second one there. It seems that it want to broke out there, but this is the first breakout. The third one here, then the fourth one. I know that the fourth one is the last wave. So, and when the last wave happen, you just see that for like 2 to 3 days, it just continue to fall. It just continue to fall without not even. You give something like this, wave like this. It gives you like this, just continue to fall to this very position here. So guys, that is what I have for us on this steady long time trades that we have been taking for the last past weeks. And stay tuned for VIX 51S index. I've spotted something nice, something cool. The video for that very one will be uploaded in, let's say, today or tomorrow. Just stay tuned and like this video, right? Like it, share and subscribe. Majorly subscribe so you can get more of this. These are free knowledge that I'm rendering here. This is free knowledge, guys. So I see you on the next one. Stay blessed.